Hello, about hollow ring we have two different options. The first one, when it's a plain band like this one, you can use the hollow ring that we have here. So you have all the settings. Let me go just with this one. Alright, so from here you can select where to start to do the transition. Alright, so you can do it like this. So you can play with that from the first screen. You can go also, if you want something asymmetrical, you can click on the mirror limits. Alright, and then on the second tab you can just set what thickness do you want to apply. As you can see, it's doing the operation between the top surface and the cutter. Also you can select, because let me just hide this so you can see it. From here what you can do is select what thickness you want. Alright, so if you want to create thickness, you can create it from here. So you do this shape. Alright, so this is one option that you have that will be parametric, because if I show that and then I do the volume difference, you get the hollow ring. But this, as I said, is for is mainly for bands like this one. But if what you want to do is just a hollow ring following different shapes, then I will advise go for the, let me just delete this one. I will also show this hollow ring and show the profile placer. So I delete this and just say that you have a ring that it's bigger from the top. So if you want to make this hollow, my advice is do it like this. So you keep this here and then you go to the profile placer and you do any kind of hollow that you want. So we do that so you have more freedom to do anything that you want. You need to use the reference as a reference, the grid. So this is something that we will keep working, because I know that sometimes customers would like to say, okay, I want this thickness here, but there is also other customers that they want it like this. We want this thickness here and we want it with this thickness on the side. So with the profile placer, you have the option to do anything that you want. All right, so now if I want to go more like this, and because it's parametric, you can just measure what distance you have, and if you need to play with it again, you can do it very easily. Alright, so this is my advice, because then the shape that you get is very nice. So if I validate and I go to like this, the perspective shape, the hollows that you get are very, very smooth and very nice. So I believe that this is one of the best options that we have. Alright, so I hope this replies your questions. Hope it helps. Thank you.